Wow, there's no way I'm losing.
Oh! If Maymay survives this, maybe I'll get the point for... You guys can literally hit me. Who will win? Maymay or Super? Let's see who goes score. Hey everybody, today this is the 4th and the finals round. We have Super versus Maymay. Let's see who wins. Now, yeah, this is like 3 times. I'm just watching. And I'm playing with somebody, so it looks like I died. Looks like first is by 3 times on their own, that other person. Who's taking pictures? I'm not gonna move. I gotta go to the corner. We're already gonna get a winner on this one. Team blue or team red? Who'll get the first point? Super has the first point.
Whoa! You gotta know we started. This isn't fair.
I'm not gonna say. So let's see who's gonna win the obby. If someone dies,
Yeah, but you gotta head start.
it doesn't mean no one got a point in this round.
I also won.
No points. I'm gonna make it first to 5 as well.
Oh, first to 5. Give me the audio again.
First to 4 now.
I'm so stressed. I can't make it. Even though this is easy.
I died. So let's see what the next round is.
Oh.
And I died. Because I suck.
Wow, there's no way I'm losing.
Oh! If Maymay survives this, maybe I'll get the point for this round. It's going faster. He has 16 seconds. Love this one. You know what? I'm gonna let him have the point no matter what now. Maymay has 1 point. It's 1-1. Let's see what the next thing is. Oh, I'm not gonna move. I'm not gonna do anything. Not gonna do anything. Just gonna stay still.
No.
Who will win? This could depend on everything.
Yes.
Maymay has the second point. I'm done. Oh, will Super get the point for this round? Because you died, so you can't. Maybe he died, so he can't get the point.
He died.
Maybe he died, so he'll get the point.
I don't know, but
2-2.
Too soon.
Because you died.
Oh, there's zombies.
Uh,
No, that's Super who's a zombie.
oh, he is. He's trying to. Oh, now I'm a zombie. Ah! Yeah, I died. You gotta run for Super. Will Super gain the one of the last points? Oh, Super got a point.
Oh, that's turn.
I'm gonna do it the first to 5 actually. How about that?
Yeah, that's the point. How about the fire extinguisher?
It's a close match already.
Doesn't that count? Doesn't that count for me?
Would count for both of you, but no, it does not count.
Okay.
What's happening?
Oh, he's done.
Super is
Bye.
3 to 3.
I'm dead.
Yep, it's 3 to 3. Ooh, what's this?
It's the most fun game.
I didn't get a point. Actually, I'm not gonna shoot. Just because of this round. Who will win this gets the point to make it. The odds out to 3 to 4. This is a pointer from 3 to 4 pointer. Who will do it? I can't even tell. Yeah, I already know that I'm not gonna win, so I'm just gonna shoot them now. Okay, the winner was Super. 4 to 3.
There's no one. What?
He already died! He already died!
We all died.
Did everyone die?
Yeah, everybody died.
No.
I saw these
Points. Everyone died.
What?
Nice.
What?
Oh no. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, he has to score on that one. And now, he has a point now. Oh, Maymay, you have to go the other way. That is... I'm gonna play because I like playing.
Bro, Tony, this isn't fair.
I was gonna do first.
Bro,
You're supposed to hit the other way. The other way. You're going the wrong...
after this competition!
Should it be 7?
Wait, what? Bro,
Yeah, 7 first.
no.
Go for change. First to 7. Okay, first
I
one.
didn't know I was pushing it down. I didn't know I was going to the wrong side.
Well, I said it was wrong side.
I didn't know.
I was just, that's why I moved it to 7. You guys can hit me as
No way I'm winning.
you can win. You can hit me as well. You darn hit me. You guys can literally hit me.
no way I'm surviving this.
If Super dies and Maymay survives, he still has a chance.
No, I don't.
Any things can happen. No points. Let's see what the next game is.
Oh, come on, this isn't. He already knows which way the right is, which way is right because he played this more than me.
Oh, he got dead ended. Got hit in dead end. Whoever makes it first gets it. Super keeps getting dead ends. Did you get the point, Maymay?
Yeah.
Okay. Now.
Stop. This is game point. I'm done.
65.
This is game point for sure. Super. No, wait. I'm wrong. Yeah, you're gonna win the next one.
Let's see who wins. Oh, I gotta beat it. I'm so stupid.
There's no way I'm winning.
You are a maze professional.
He's more experienced than me. No, oh, come on.
No one gets the point for this round.
This counts.
No,
Oh.
this is not. No point. Oh, the jump. Looks like this might be the last